Okay. Action! You're starting, guys. You gotta talk and say hi and stuff.
Hi. Welcome back to our channel.
I don't know what they're doing. They're just doing something. I'm the camera people. My name is Josh. What's up? I'm gonna create a YouTube channel soon when I get my Xbox One out and get my Black Ops 4, my Mortal Kombat. But I'll start with my Black Ops 4 if you like, and my Man 20. Here you go. Okay, guys, you gotta talk. Mom.
Hi guys.
This is my mom.
Today on our channel, Julie is doing my makeup with only a little bit of makeup. That's all we got.
We're doing big things in here. This is Jewel with Jules.
Shut. Okay, so yeah, we can get 50 if you can subscribe and put. What are you doing, Snoop? Okay, so yeah, 50. If we can get 6 subscribers already and 5 and 110 thumbs up, we will shout out to all you guys. Well, one day they'll start more with my sister Leah, her sister, her daughter. So yeah, guys, let's get rolling with the. Come on, guys, talk.
Okay,
Talk to your fans.
Cut. You can't talk all the time.
Okay, this is a short. Come on, just start doing your makeup.
Okay, starting now. Okay.
So we are blending the concealer.
It's not working out that well. I'm just gonna do this now.
I did blow.
Okay.
Okay, I don't care. Okay, then
Let me help.
what is this?
Okay,
That's
there's
blush.
so they're doing stuff.
Where's the brush?
I don't have a blush brush, but okay, use the powder brush.
Okay.
Wait, let's use the brush that came with it. This is the brush that came with the blush.
So we're gonna do the blush, a pink.
On my mother, that is gonna buy me.
Her name is Mallory.
You got makeup on me, thing. This is we got her name. The name is Makeup Cats. Makeup Cats.
Makeup cat.
Your YouTube channel. When you start with Leah, it has to be Makeup Cats.
Makeup cat. Okay.
Okay.
In when I make my YouTube channel, I gotta think about
We
it.
should be recording this on Snapchat so we can send it to Leah.
We
I'm
will.
making you a clown.
While I'm recording it, I can send it to Snapchat.
Oh,
I
you
can
can?
share on
Oh, I
stuff.
didn't know that.
You look like a clown right now.
Yeah, I'm making her like a clown. So guys, we're gonna make my
That's
mom.
what I always wanted to look like. Okay.
Hey Alexa,
I think
what's a clown look like?
that's enough blush. This is highlight.
Shut up. Hey Alexa, shut up.
Here.
Around your face.
Sorry guys.
It's just a swipe here, swipe here. You put a little.
Alexa,
above your
tell a
eyebrow,
shark
you put
joke.
On your cupid's bow right here, and you put a dot on the tip of your nose and a dot or a line right here
Should I
down your.
play some music background on there?
Yeah.
Alexa, play Baby Shark.
Baby Shark by Pink Boom, starting now on Amazon Music.
Swipe here, swipe here, above a swipe up.
Okay guys, we're just trying to play some
Above
music,
your
sorry.
cupid's bow right here.
We're just playing.
Okay. We're gonna do the lipstick now.
We need that up a little bit.
We're gonna do the lipstick now. We're gonna do this red.
The camera's moving, it's a freaking phone. Rick Shark. Hey Kobe. And shout out to look at you, Snoopy, and Kobe, and Minnie Pie.
Okay, we're done with lipstick, so let's not show them.
How do
Bye.
I look?
We still
You look okay.
We gotta do the
What have we
red
done?
nose.
Do you just?
No, we're not doing her red nose.
Are we just saying this is all for makeup cats?
That's messed
This this is all for makeup cats. So we'll see you later. If we get 110 thumbs up and 6+ subscribers, we'll shout you all out.
Yay.
See ya on makeup cats.